Hi, this is Alex from Pandectes. Is your Shopify store selling to Utah? Well, then you need to comply with Utah's UCPA Privacy Act, which means that you need to have implemented the following 4 things on your store. First of all, you need to have an opt-out cookie banner, which is a cookie banner that initially allows all cookies, but if the user declines, then it needs to block all the cookies that are unnecessary. Secondly, you need to have a Do Not Sell My Data page on your Shopify store, which is a page where your visitors can visit and opt out of their data being sold. Thirdly, you need to have a data subject request page. This is a place where your users can visit and exercise their rights on access, rectification, and erasure, which means they can access, edit, or delete their data from your store. And finally, your Shopify store needs to be able to read global privacy control, which is a global signal sent from browsers, which users have set up in order to automatically opt them out of their data being sold from every website that they visit. Sounds like a lot, but it really isn't. Luckily, there is an app called Pandectes GDPR Compliance, which you can download on your Shopify store and implement all of this in just a matter of minutes. Let me show you exactly how. You need to go to the Shopify App Store and install Pandectes GDPR Compliance. After installing it, you will be met with this dashboard. Activate the banner. And now we have a cookie banner on our store. Next, go to the Settings, Banner, and since this law does not require the banner to be opt-in, but rather opt-out, we can choose the Preferences banner along with the Lose policy. Click on Save, and that's the banner part done. Now we need to configure the Do Not Sell My Data page. How to do that? Well, go to Settings, Do Not Sell My Data, and copy this code. Then navigate to Online Store, Pages, and here add a new page. Name it however you like. And in this section for Show HTML, click it and paste in the code that we just copied. Click on Save, and now we have the page in the store. Let's also add it to the navigation. Go to Online Store Navigation, and in the footer menu, click on Add Menu Item, call it Do Not Sell My Data, and link it with the page that we just created. Add it, and click on Save. Now we have a link to the Do Not Sell My Data page directly from our footer. Only one step left now. We have to add the Data Subject Request page. Go to the Settings, Customer Data Requests, and click on View Instructions. Here, copy the code to the clipboard and go to Online Store Pages. It's the exact same process as with the Do Not Sell My Data page. Click on Add Page, name it, and in the Show HTML, paste in the code. Click on Save, and then let's add it to our navigation. Go to Navigation in the footer menu and add the new menu item and link it with the page that we just created. And click on Save. That's it. The only thing to implement now is global privacy control. But the good news is that Pandectes GDPR Compliance listens to the signal by default, so you do not have to do anything. You can even check it in the settings integrations. Here it is, and it is always active, listening for signals from the browser for users that have this setting enabled. And that's the setup done in just a few minutes. You can then go ahead and customize your cookie banner to suit your brand. And that's it. If you followed up to this point, then congrats. You are compliant with Utah's privacy laws. If you want to learn more about privacy, if you want to learn more about privacy regulations and always stay up to date, then check out our YouTube channel. We post regularly about this stuff. Till next time.